What?
Oh my god.
What? Where are you? What?
Oh no, I got scratched. How do we play again?
Legit.
I feel like that's us every time we come back to the game.
Oh, because
Just
the controls are fucking weird.
I just hate it when we do uh the the circle and then we accidentally like go to sleep on the ground.
Yeah.
That is the worst thing. Oh, I scared away a pig. Why is it white?
In albino pig.
Oh, I was gonna say like, is the pig not like rendering
Have you
in?
got space in your bags for meat and stuff? Because I'm probably gonna
Thirsty.
run out.
I have like the littlest bit of space. Um,
Watch
hold
out,
on,
kill. Take that shit.
take that shit. Oh, what the fuck? How do I look at my watch? Oh, there we go.
There's an armadillo as well. Fuck me. Treasure trove over here.
An armadillo.
Alright. 2 pigs dead.
Oh, nice.
Can you come grab this shit then?
Yeah,
We
yeah,
should
I
make
got
one of
you.
those smokers or something like that, so we've got a whole bunch of food to take with us whenever we go on next.
A smoker.
Yeah, or just something.
Yeah, that sounds good.
There's a whole
Um,
bunch of bones there as well. I couldn't pick up, but I got bones on me, so I wasn't gonna bother.
oh, I literally have no space, so
I'm
let's not bother.
encumbered. I can't go any faster.
I can tell. Look at me, me.
Where are ya? What the?
If
Fuck you.
just yeah, oh, fuck. Just rubbing it in.
Hmm.
God damn. Oh, I forgot we brought our tortoise shell and shit. Ah, nice little drink. Jasmine,
Thirsty.
There's two. There's fucking two.
I can hear it. I can... Brody, get your bonds out the way. Shit. Oh my god. I'm shitting myself.
Oh fuck! I missed. Don't worry, I got it.
You got
I
both of
killed
them?
both. I got both.
Oh, mate.
Oh sweet Jesus. Oh sweet. Well, fresh meat then.
God damn, that scared the shit out of
Damn
me.
it! I dropped my sticks. Where are they gone?
This seems like a unsafe place, Jasmine.
Oh, it just means a lot of edible shit spawns here.
Mate. This scared me.
The other one's here where I'm sitting.
Oh, hang on, I'm very encumbered. I feel okay.
I think I'll have enough now.
I'm
I
just
got the
grabbing this
last
little
of the
trimmer.
rope. Yeah.
Oh fuck yeah. Sweet. Oh, look at the mouse. Oh, slowly as she goes. Slowly as she goes. Slowly as she.
Mm.
I'm coming. Very slowly, but surely I'm coming.
Oh, you dog.
What?
I was like literally breaking down shit.
Brother in
Thirsty.
Christ, I'm just trying to help.
You got rope?
Yep. Oh, you got one more?
One more?
Yeah. Oh, what are you doing? Hold on. I need to fucking need to drop some shit. Yeah, I'll drop you an arrow. Drop. And then we
You
can put
wanna
the
just
tortoise
put-
shell underneath.
Yeah. Do you have a rope?
Yeah.
And small stick and 2 more rope.
There you
Sick.
go. And then
Ah, nice.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm a little bit slow. Look, my character's tired. Just need a little bit of a nip nap.
I just need sticks and rope, pretty sure.
Sticks and rope.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. Going to bed before I pass the fuck out.
You can use spoiled meat to bait the traps.
Oh, will it actually catch it?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. Us.
I'm trying to get this cassava for my planter box.
Oh, okay, sounds good. Oh god damn, there's leeches on me.
And I got some small sticks from cutting down that tree
Oh,
too.
Jasmine, Jasmine.
What?
Oh my god.
What? Where are you? What?
Oh no, I got scratched. Jasmine,
What is it?
it's
What
a.
is it? Stop this.
What do you mean? What is it? It's a puma. It's
Where?
already. Mate, it's run off.
Oh,
What do you mean, where?
it's gonna come back.
I died. Jasmine, that scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, you gotta say what it was, otherwise I was just like, oh, what are you panicking about, you stupid lizard now? That's why I didn't come straight away.
No, because I couldn't. I was trying to figure out whether it was a puma or a jaguar.
Either way, it's gonna scratch you and kill you. So you need to be like, Puma!
My brain was too busy trying to figure out puma or jaguar that I was just like, it scratched me, it scratched me. Look, you gotta understand the lingo.
It's the panic,
Yeah,
the silly things, which kind of just like
yeah, true.
doesn't
But
make me panic for you because I'm just like, oh, it's probably something silly.
no, I'm calling for you, Jasmine.
Oh my god.
You left me to die. No, because
Oh,
it highlighted as well as it came towards me, and I was like, oh shit.
oh, I'm about to pass out. Oh, I'm gonna get worms.
Oh shit, where are you?
Um,
Oh,
down near the water.
Rest.
the water. I got you.
Thank you.
That's alright.
Oh, I'm very dirty.
Wait, what? Blue cord?
There's a blue cord plugged into the radio that leads into the other building, but it has a lock on it. So we need a key.
Oh. I thought we already looked around here. Like, we've already searched the buildings here.
Mm. I'm just telling you what I see with my
Oh.
eyes, woman.
With my eyes. Oh my god, sorry, this fly is actually giving me the shits. I'm gonna be very upset if a puma comes for me again. So, padlock, key required. Gonna eat some of these mushrooms. Oh, and that makes a bone knife. Oh my god. Jasmine, you are so smart. Oh, my game has frozen. Thank you, thank you. Much appreciated.
Oh, it's fucking hard as shit. Because I got
Yeah.
worms. I've got the tribesmen running at me, trying to fucking oogla boogla me.
But see now, it was like now you know how I felt when when everything was just so
Oh,
fucked.
mate, I died from insanity the first time I ever played by myself, and I don't know what the fuck was happening.
Cause you didn't tell me about all the other extra shit that happens when you
Yeah,
go
because
insane.
it's funny.
So I was just absolutely like, what the fuck is happening? Like, what the fuck? And I was like, Jasmine, there's a whole tribe running after
Oh,
me.
look, there you
Jasmine,
are.
I'm bleeding out. Yeah, I had to completely exit the game and then go back in.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, sorry about that. It was just, oh, my bone axe isn't with me. Absolutely. Actually, never mind. Alright, cool. Now I just need carbohydrates, and I know where.
Jade, I'm making tea! Look
Oh
at
my
the
god.
tea!
Oh, you're making tea! Oh, I love
Oh,
it.
I can hear it frying.
Oh, and I have a dried flower too.
Alright, look at that coconut bowl. Brew. I'm gonna put the brew in my down.
Oh, nice.
Oh, why won't it let me do that? Yeah, I might have to drink it now that it's empty.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
Oh, it won't let me pick it up. Like, actually put it in there, so it's just gonna stay like that. But if you got food poisoning, you can drink that now.
Ooh.
And instead of curing 2, it'll kill 3.
Oh, nice. That's awesome. Now you've made it. Berries or something?
Are they red?
I found animal droppings for you. Yes.
Oh, finally! Yes, please put them in the cassava.
Okay.
I see. I'm standing out on the veranda.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Welcome home. Which one? This one?
That one. Yeah.
Alright. Where's the animal droppings? Oh, there. Oh.
Oh,
It
it
grew.
grew like instantly.
Yeah, I was like, what the fuck? Man, I'm loving life right now.
Yeah, just wait on you.
Alright. So, I'll save game as well. Okay, what's up?
Go look at the radio.
Yep,
That shit don't work, right?
yep. Shit don't work.
Follow the cords from the radio.
I was trying to do that. Oh, so the blue one ends there into this one.
Okay, and there's also a yellow one.
A yellow one. Okay. So we'll follow the yellow one. So the yellow one comes out here. There's an antenna.
Yeah, it's not plugged in properly.
Huh? Oh,
Are
okay.
you gonna fix it?
I did.
No, it was like telling me to do it still.
Ah. And so then, can we? Why is it still not working?
Hello, can anyone hear me? I need help. Anyone, come in, please. I need help. Fucking hell!
House control tower, over.
You can really hear me? I need help.
Affirmative. Keep calm now. I can hear you. You're going to be all right. Please give us your name and position. Over.
This is Jake Higgins. I'm on a makeshift airstrip in the middle of the jungle. I'm not sure where exactly.
Copy. That Jake Higgins? Again? Okay. I know where you are. Please hold. Are you alone? Over.
There's a girl with me, Mia.
Copy. Is there a man with you? Over.
No, there's nobody else here. Can you hear me?
Copy. Just stay where you are. Over.
Will someone fly over? How long should I wait?
Keep calm and stay put. Help is on the way. Over and out.
What's going on? Answer, please. Please answer me. I don't know what's going on. Fuck. What was that?
Oh.
Go first. Oh, thank you. I gotta go have a nap. My insomnia is getting pretty bad, apparently.
Oh no. You apparently have to open the door.
I have opened the door.
My game would say different. Hold on. Okay, I can.
Mia, are you there? I will keep looking for you anyway.
Oh.
Help is on the way. Come in. Please, Mia. Mia, I have to tell you something. Please, come in. Mia? Are you there?
Wow.
I'll keep looking for you anyway.
Oh.
Please, Mia, I need you.
Oh. Okay, so this guy with a very monotone, doesn't give a fuck voice
Yeah.
tells us to stay put. But he asks us about a man, and if we were with a man,
I got some dried meat for you.
oh, some dried meat from
Yeah,
me.
it finally finished.
Ooh. Thank you. Ooh. Oh,
Alright.
you got a lot of meat there.
That way, eat everything else first and save that till the end. Can you get through the door now?
I sure can. Door's open for me.
Can you see that climbing equipment?
Yeah.
And there's a
Okay.
map over here.
What?
I can
is
hear
this?
fucking tribesmen.
Oh.
Did you hear that?
No, I didn't. But oh, is this the rest of the map?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
So when you press down, you can go to the left. And see, now the snake is in the middle of the river on the map.
Snake. Oh, I see it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then so we're at the little flag looking thing.
The little. Oh, I see it.
The
Okay.
A. And then the C1
Yeah.
was that drop down.
Oh.
So we're in like
And we
a
can use
little
the climbing
canyon.
equipment.
Yeah, so now we got the ship to actually get down there.
Oh, let's read the note. Oh, what? Passengers. A1, Higgins J. That's us.
Yeah.
Vega A. Smith P. Sewell T. Alvarez and Tim H. Wait, Mia's name is not on there.
Yeah.
I need to rest.
And who are the rest? Who are the rest of those people? Oh no, thank you. That's okay. Audio recorder.
Number 8. I've spotted a fire northwest from the Delta camp. So far, I've determined that there are around 6 people on the island. At least one is a child. So I'm guessing these are refugees from the city. I watched them all day. It looks like they're unaware of our presence. For now, the group doesn't pose any threat to the mission. I suppose they feel safe on the island and are likely to stay there. I don't think they have any useful information, so there's no need for contact, but I'll keep an eye on them. End of report.
Weird. Also, I can now hear the tribe people.
I reckon they're sitting behind the tent, so we just gotta be careful.
Yeah. Okay, and there's a letter. Oh.
There's a puma.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I shit you not. I'm watching the front
Come on.
door.
Oh, I am also watching the front door.
I need to rest.
It sucks because it's right where the glare is on the TV.
Oh, this noise. Got it.
Nice. Good job, Jazz.
Yeah.
Do you see anything in this bag?
No.
Oh. Pieces of shit. Oh, so...
Alright, so you read the note?
Yeah, so Philip wants samples of animals and plants.
Yeah. So Higgins
And sloppiness
and all
will not be
those other
tolerated.
guys have been sent here to gather samples. Judging by all the gear, they have set up camp here.
Yeah.
They've been here for a while. But why is Higgins by himself?
And why do we literally remember nothing? And oh fuck, sorry, I saw the jaguar. And why the fuck do we think Mia's with us?
Yeah. So, with that all said, we can now move on. We can go down that climbing hole. So, if there's anything
Beautiful.
that you would like to grab from here, I would say, can you grab the pot? And we can move on.
Beautiful, let's go.
I'm just going to cut down my cassava. I'm going to have a quick drink. So I left you a couple bowls there and the big pot to drink.
Oh, thank you.
To southeast. Yep, so perfect this way.
Oh, very good.
If we go straight, then we'll go off the edge. But let's just like this way. You're right behind me? Cool.
Oh, did you see that stick fall from the sky?
Yeah.
Scared the shit out of me.
Yep, okay. We've found
Alright,
it. And
now
then
we're
we're in
curving.
between these rocks.
Ah, beautiful. Ooh. I hear a
Like a
snake.
lizard.
Oh, lizard.
Alright,
damn it.
You do the honors.
Okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, flower.
Flower.
I thought it was a
We
bowl.
want the fruit.
God damn it. See you at the bottom.
You just disappeared.
Bye bye. Whoa. Whoa, okay. Diving equipment.
Yeah. We're going for a swim.
We're going for we're going for a swim.
Okay, let's look at our notebooks. What are you writing there?
Oh, what does that mean? All this equipment, where did it come from? The map ends at this submerged. But I must take a chance and dive.
Rest.
I have to find her. Yeah.
Ready? You want to follow the rope?
Let's go. I already lost it.
This way.
Okay.
See the ropes on the right.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck? I lost the rope. I was like, how did I lose the rope this fast? So pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, oh my god. Wow. Oh my god.
So now we got a little scuba diving thing on our map.
Oh, we sure do. Yep.
So
And now we're
on that little tiny pond below the scuba
Yeah.
diver. That's where we are.
Yep. Cool.
So
Thought
we
so.
can head north to do some exploring. Or we can go east. I think.
I'm about to pass out.
Okay. Shit.
I shouldn't drink